Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut PC Pro 8.1.9 and we are going to delete OUS. So you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have installed Active Directory on a new Hyper-V guest server named CompTIA. You have also created an Active Directory structure based on the company's own departmental structure. While creating the structure, you added an OU named workstation to each of the departmental OUs. Now you would like to use one workstation OU for the company. As a result, you need to delete the departmental workstations OUS. So in this lab, your task is to delete the following on CompTIA. In the marketing OU, delete the workstations OU. In the research dev OU, delete the workstation OU, and in the sales OU, delete the workstations OU. So let's start up. We're going to go to COP server and we'll go to CompTIA, and this is opened. So we'll go to manage. No, rather we'll go to tools first and select this Active Directory and users, and then let's see, we'll go to CompTIA local and we go to, let's say the first task says to delete workstations. Alright, so we want to maximize this and go to workstations, and then we go to actions, and properties, manage by, nope. So we go to, let's go to actions again. Let's see the options we have here. Nope. Users, no switcher is not available. Okay, let's go to properties. Nope, it shall be properties. Let's see, all tags, new computer contact group. There has to be an option here for us to be able to perform these tasks. So we click on CompTIA local and let's go. Let's go to managed objects. Let's uncheck this and then click on apply. Okay. Let's go to workstations and click on properties. We'll go to objects and check this. Go ahead and apply. Click OK. Let's click this and scroll down to delete. Click confirm. What else are we working on? So research. Under research, we want to locate workstations. Right click on it, go to properties and locate object, and check this and apply. Click OK. Now go ahead and delete it. So we go to sales. Under sales, we want to locate workstations. Right click on it, go to properties, then locate object, then uncheck this, apply, click OK. Then we go back to workstations, right click on it, then we go ahead and delete it. Let's go ahead and see how we do, and everything is fine. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Don't forget to reach me through email, and also join our membership to have access to more videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.